Oh boy, there's an eagle right there. And he just... Welcome to another POV video. Clear sky this morning, so hopefully we can get some good shots before the light gets too harsh. We're in the middle of fall migration, so hopefully we can get some migrants coming through. Been hearing a huge flock of crows that way. Probably just talking to each other, but they could be mobbing something. Also might be some gunshots in the background. I think there's a gun range fairly close to this location. It's in my Nikon D500 with the 200 to 500 f5.6. It's been working pretty good for me. It's really a beautiful morning. White-throated sparrow. Just take a picture so you guys can see that closer. Yeah, they're like 3 or 4 up there. You can see them flying around. 'Tis the season for white-throated sparrows. It's been a pretty warm fall, really. Right now it's about 39 degrees though, or I think that's like 3 degrees Celsius for my Canadian friends. Yeah, usually this field will get field sparrows in the fall. Yeah, it was about a year ago I got this D500 and I was down here at the edge of the river and there was a bald eagle at the top of the tree over there, and I got probably my best picture of a bald eagle to date. Hopefully I can get a better one this winter though. I think I just heard a white-crowned sparrow. Yep, white-crowned. It's also the season for those guys. Sparrows. Field sparrow. I was just talking about them. There are 2 up ahead in this bush. I would like to find an owl. Any owl I will definitely take the next few months. I would like a great horned owl though. That is one of the only ones I've had 0 good photos of. That's still fairly common. Eastern towhee, just heard him. I think he's across the river, sadly. As I was driving here, there were like 20 turkeys on the side of the road. I was gonna stop and film a little bit, but I thought it would be better to focus on driving. Do not let that noise fool you. It is a chipmunk. I have tried to identify what species of bird that was for so long, and then I finally figured out it wasn't even a bird. It was a chipmunk. We're pretty close to the peak of fall colors, I think. White-throated sparrow just flew towards the river. Looks like a female cardinal in the path. You can hear the white-throated sparrows. They're making their flight call. It sounds like a tss. There's a few of them in here that are, yeah, right there. That noise. That's also a white-throated sparrow. They also have a funny whistly sing. That is very high-pitched. That sounds like a kinglet. Could be a brown creeper too. I'm pretty bad at like deciphering those calls, but yep, brown creeper. Oh. And some more white-throated sparrows. Oh, there's some wood ducks. That startled me. Also, my 2025 Michigan Birds calendar is going to be coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be the best one yet. We will head back this way. There's some other trails in this park that are usually pretty birdy. Oh boy, there's an eagle right there. And he just flew. Oh man. Of course. I don't know why eagles are so skittish. Where'd he go? Oh no. Man. They are so skittish. Well, there's still a chance we can catch them on a different tree. I find it fascinating that bald eagles are so skittish. I can get like 10 feet away from a white-throated sparrow, but if a bald eagle sees me from 200 feet away, he's gone. Pileated woodpecker. Oh, belted kingfisher. Always a good bird to hear and see. They're pretty cool looking. Oh, pine siskin. One pine siskin. First pine siskin of the season for me. You can see it on the video. Probably not. Okay. Red-bellied woodpecker just came in. I doubt I got anything. Maybe though. Yep. Okay, here's where those field sparrows were. I think I see them. Yep, there's one far away in that branch. Oh, wow, cedar waxwings. Okay. Looks like they all flew that way, except one chickadee in there, which I'm going to abandon. I'm sorry. Okay, 3 field sparrows flew that way. Well, it would be great if we could spot that bald eagle again, perched somewhere. Never really had a spectacular encounter with bald eagles. Around this time last year, I found some purple finches. Right down here, actually. And in this tree. This isn't a bad fall vista right here. Pretty nice looking. There's one more spot we could check for the bald eagle. But not sure if he's still there. Got a white-throated sparrow right here. That honestly might have been our shot of the day. Okay. Hopefully we got something. I think we might have. I think I had the wrong settings for that shot, but at least I got it. And I don't think it's ruined. I hear a red-winged blackbird. Earlier this year, I also came here and found a sora through the reeds. It was pretty fun. Definitely used manual focus for that shot. Yeah, so there's a red-winged blackbird at the top of that tree over there. It seems weird to me to hear red-winged blackbirds in October. At least just one. Because a lot of times I do see a big flock migrating, but there's just one right there. Maybe it's just because he's singing that it seems odd to me. Okay, there are a few now. When I was first starting out, female red-winged blackbirds, I thought they were like a random cool rare species or something, but later I figured out that they were just blackbirds. That was hard for me to accept. There are some birds. Those were all just red-winged blackbirds. They just tricked me. I thought they were like a rusty maybe, but they're all female blackbirds. I hear a red-shouldered hawk. Kind of sounds like a blue jay screaming. Well, that was a pretty nice morning. If you have any recommendations on how I can make these videos better, definitely let me know in the comments. But I think that will be it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.